Hi, I'm Mira. Welcome to Flow with Mira. I have the perfect quick flow mat for beginners. This is an excellent class if you press for time and to do it every single day to start your day. So let's go ahead, meet me on the mat. We're going to start lying on our back. Best way to start. All right, so we'll find ourselves in a supine position, feet are parallel. Pelvis is in neutral position, arms long by the side here. Take a deep breath, long inhalation to the nose. Let's take a moment to breathe. Exhale and allow the body to settle down on the mat. In breath. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Alright, let's begin. Extend the left leg down on the floor, dorsiflex foot, left arm up overhead. Inhale, I want you to reach the leg and the arm away from each other. Exhale, drawing the abdominal, compress that back to the floor. Inhale, one more, reaching long, create more space on that side. Exhale, recoil. Bring the arm and the leg back in. Other side, right leg long, right arm overhead. Inhale, reaching the arm and the leg away. Exhale, drawing back to the center again. One more time, inhale, reach the arm and the leg away. Exhale, compress back in and glide the arm and the leg back in. And we in breath, reaching the arms long to the feet and some pelvic rocks coming next. Exhale, we draw the abdominal in. I want you to just mobilize the pelvis by pressing the lower back down to the floor using the abdominal. The pelvis is now curling up, the bottom comes up and release back. And continue rocking and up. Inhale, lengthen down. Exhale and up. Inhale, lengthen down. And two more. In breath. Last one. And release. Let's do full pelvic curl. Exhale, we draw in the abdominal. I want you to curl the pelvis and articulate the spine up to that bridging position. Arms are active. Lift the pelvis as high as you can. In breath. Exhale, lengthening the head away from the neck and roll the spine down. Vertebra by vertebra, and take yourself all the way back down to the floor. Again, 3 more times. Exhale. A delicious, delicious way to wake up the spine if you are doing this in the morning. Inhale. This is what I do every day. Exhale before I start my day with my teaching schedules and release day. Never a day without pelvic curl. Exhale, roll it up. In breath. Exhale, roll it down. I really want you to just find more movement on each vertebra as you go up and down. Last one, exhale. Get the blood flow back in the spine. And exhale, we roll back down to the floor and release. And let's work on a center here. Exhale, we draw in the corset muscle and we take the right leg up to the tabletop of the leg left, knee over the hip. And lower down as you inhale, exhale, we bring it up. Working on stabilizing the pelvis, stabilizing the lower back. Inhale, lower, exhale, up. Movement from the hip, not from the knee. And 2 more. Last one. Lower the foot down, other leg. Exhale, we lift. Absolute stability in the pelvis, lower down as we inhale. Exhale, we fold. Inhale, we lower. Exhale, we fold. And lower. 2 more. Last one. And lower. Lift it up again. Hold. Leg changes. Lift the other heel up as you breathe out. Draw in deeper in your center and switch the leg. Switch the leg. Switch. 3, 2, 1. Both legs up at tabletop. Squeeze the thighs in for me. Open the arms out to T position. Spine twist supine, moving from the waistline. Inhale, we rotate to the right. Legs stay together. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, over to the left. Shoulders anchor down. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, over to the right. Exhale, come back. Inhale, over to the left. Exhale, come back. One more each side. Inhale, over. Exhale, come back. Last one here. Inhale, over. Exhale, come back. And we lower one foot down, second leg down, interlacing the hands behind the head. We're gonna warm the abdominal even more here with the chest lift. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, we flex the chest up. Inhale, we hold. Find more length through the spine. Exhale, we come back down. Again, exhale, we lift. Lifting, lifting, lifting. In breath. Exhale, come down. And exhale, lift. Inhale. Exhale, come down. Last one here. Exhale, we lift. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, come back down. Bring the right arm up to the sky. Chest lift with rotation here as we in-breath. Lengthen through the spine. Exhale, lift the head and the chest up. Bring the right arm across onto the outside of the left thigh. So we are rotating our torso over to the left side and return back to center. Exhale. In breath. 3 more. In breath. 2. In breath. Last. In breath. Switch the arm. Left arm up. And exhale over to the right. In breath. And 2. In breath. And 3. 2 more. Last one. Come back. Release. Arm long by the side. Stretch. The right leg long on the floor. And the left arm up to the sky here. Not the sky, overhead. Dorsiflex the right foot. I want you to lift the right leg up. Lift the left arm up and bring it right down by the side. Point the right foot and lower the leg and lift the arm overhead. I want you to control that center so that you don't arch the back off the floor. And lift. Inhale, lower. And lift. Inhale, lower. Draw deep into the center. Stabilize the lower spine. 2 more. In breath. Last one. In breath. Bring the leg up again. Grab the back of your thigh. Take an in breath. Pull the leg closer to you for a quick hamstring stretch. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee, lower down. Extend the left leg long, right arm overhead here. Dorsiflex the left foot. And we go. Exhale. Inhale, point and lower. The arm goes up and down at the same time with the leg. And exhale. In breath. Exhale. In breath. 2 more. In breath. Last one, we stay up. Grab the back of your thigh and pull the leg closer to you. Let the pelvis sit down on the mat. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee. Take the foot down. Walk the feet a little bit further away.